All operations have side effects, but those of the mind are often overlooked. There is a growing body of evidence that surgery, especially in the over 65s, can cause sudden problems with memory and cognition. In the US alone, more than 1 million people aged 65 or older have an operation each year. One study has suggested that up to 23% of those who undergo a cardiac operation may suffer cognitive decline. The same group found that a third of patients who had non-cardiac surgery experienced some form of mental decline within 6 weeks of their operation. The nerve cells that control movement also control basic thinking. When an operation interferes with those cells, it can have cognitive side effects. The issue of surgery-related cognitive decline has been known about for decades, but the mechanism behind it was unknown. Now, researchers at Imperial College London have discovered why operating on the spine or brain can be so hazardous to cognitive health, and their findings could help surgeons devise new ways to avoid unwitting damage to the mind. The study is published in Nature Communications this week. Previous research has shown that in some cases, surgery can lead to long-term impairment of memory and learning, particularly in over 65s and babies, and the mechanisms are generally thought to involve inflammation or a reduced supply of oxygen. However, this research suggests another route by which cognitive decline can be triggered, by interfering with communication between neurons that control movement and cognition. Anesthesia is more dangerous than it used to be. This is partly because we demand more of it than we did. A general anesthetic is no longer just a matter of going to sleep. Even minor operations now require techniques that would have been considered high risk 20 years ago. But it is also because our patients are older than they used to be, and older patients are more vulnerable.